refresher, substitution we said means in place of means to replace. In math, we use numbers to replace letters within an equation. So let's work these three questions. Here we have 5p minus 2p. Now in this case, you have to read the instruction carefully. It says, given that p equal 2, q equal -3, r equal -1, find the value of. Now these right here are our key in finding the solutions for these questions. So one says 5p minus 2q. Now let's replace the letters with numbers. P in this case it says p equal to 2, and whenever we see a number in front of a letter, two letters in front of each other are adjoined, it means to multiply, and we represent that multiplication by a bracket. We said that here p equals 2 minus 2 right here, and in this case q here represents -3, so multiply by -3. Let me give you some more space. Let's multiply. So 5 times 2 will give you a total of 10. And you have to focus keenly on this part. -2 times -3. Whenever you have two negatives being multiplied, you will result in a positive number. So -2 times -3 will give you a positive 6. So the answer here will equal to 10 plus 6, 16. Let's do the other one. P is 2 times Q plus, sorry, I'm not writing about the Q. So Q here is -3, so let's write that. Guys, don't make the mistake I made. Else you will be confused. So 2 times Q, which is -3, plus P, which is 2, times R, which is -1. Whenever you are multiplying a negative and a positive number, then your results will equal to a negative number. So 2 times -3 gives you -6. Positive 2 times a -1 will give you a -2. Now here we have two same signs. When we have two same signs, we add the values and we keep the sign of the largest number. So since we have -6 here and -2, we will add the -6 plus -2 will give you an 8. But not just an 8, you keep the sign of the largest number. And in this case, the largest number here is 6. And in front of 6 we have a negative. So our result will be -8. 3. Given that P equals 2, Q equals -3, R equals -1. So P times R2. P, which is 2, times R, which is -1. And it is squared, so -1 all squared. Now this is where it gets a little tricky, and you have to be careful. So this is 2 times -1 to the square doesn't mean -1 plus -1. Square means multiply by itself. So -1 times -1. -1 times -1 will give you a positive number. -1 times -1 will give you a positive 1. because it is squared and two negatives are being multiplied. So 2 times 1 will equal to